Have you ever spent time perfecting your makeup only to see it fade, crease, or melt away after a few hours? Whether it's heat, humidity, oil, or long days, keeping makeup intact can be a real challenge. That's where a high-quality setting spray becomes a must-have in any makeup routine. A good setting spray helps lock foundation, blush, and concealer into place while maintaining a natural finish. In this guide, we'll explore some of the best setting sprays designed to keep your makeup looking fresh, smooth, and long-lasting throughout the day.
Kicking off our list at number 1, e.l.f. Power Grip Spray. The e.l.f. Power Grip Spray is designed for makeup users who want stronger makeup hold while maintaining a comfortable and natural-looking finish. Many people experience foundations separating or fading during long days, especially when exposed to humidity or oily skin conditions. This formula focuses on helping makeup adhere more effectively to the skin while supporting long-lasting wear throughout the day. Key features. The e.l.f. Power Grip Spray includes a lightweight mist formula designed to create a flexible layer that helps lock makeup into place. The spray distributes evenly across the skin through a fine mist nozzle that prevents heavy droplets from disturbing the makeup. The formula focuses on maintaining hydration while improving makeup longevity. Benefits and usage. The e.l.f. Power Grip Spray helps extend the wear time of foundation, concealer, and other complexion products. By helping makeup adhere more effectively to the skin, it reduces the chances of fading or creasing during daily wear. Many users apply it after completing their makeup routine or lightly between makeup layers for improved hold. Usability. The e.l.f. Power Grip Spray is designed for convenient application with just a few sprays across the face from a comfortable distance. The fine mist spreads evenly without creating wet spots on the makeup. It dries quickly and allows the makeup to settle into a smoother finish. Durability. The e.l.f. Power Grip Spray maintains its effectiveness throughout repeated use due to its stable liquid formula. The spray nozzle delivers consistent mist distribution with each application. When stored properly, the formula retains its performance and continues providing dependable makeup hold.
In the second spot, we have Skindinavia Finishing Spray. The Skindinavia Finishing Spray is designed for makeup users who want professional-level makeup longevity throughout long days or special events. Many makeup artists rely on setting sprays that can maintain makeup stability for extended periods without compromising the natural appearance of the skin. This formula focuses on helping makeup stay in place while maintaining a comfortable and breathable finish. Key features. The Skindinavia Finishing Spray includes a lightweight setting technology that helps keep makeup from fading, smudging, or creasing. The formula creates a protective barrier that supports makeup longevity without feeling heavy on the skin. The spray also helps control excess shine while maintaining a natural complexion. Benefits and usage. The Skindinavia Finishing Spray helps maintain a polished makeup look during long events, hot weather, or extended daily wear. Many users apply it as the final step of their makeup routine to secure foundation and other complexion products. The spray can also help reduce the need for frequent touch-ups. Usability. The Skindinavia Finishing Spray is designed for easy application using a fine mist spray pattern. Users hold the bottle several inches away from the face and apply a few sprays evenly across the skin. The lightweight mist dries quickly without disrupting the makeup underneath. Durability. The Skindinavia Finishing Spray maintains consistent performance over repeated applications. The bottle design protects the formula from contamination, while the spray mechanism ensures even distribution. With proper storage, the formula remains effective for long-term makeup routines.
Coming in at number 3 is the NYX Matte Finish Spray. The NYX Matte Finish Spray is designed for individuals who prefer a shine-free makeup look throughout the day. Oily skin and humid environments can often cause makeup to appear shiny or greasy after several hours of wear. This formula focuses on providing a matte finish while helping to secure makeup in place for longer-lasting results. Key features. The NYX Matte Finish Spray includes oil control ingredients designed to reduce shine and maintain a matte complexion. The lightweight spray distributes evenly through a fine mist that helps lock makeup into place. The formula works well with various makeup products, including foundation, powder, and blush. Benefits and usage. The NYX Matte Finish Spray helps maintain a shine-free appearance throughout daily wear. Many users apply it as the final step in their makeup routine to control oil production and extend makeup longevity. It can also be used during the day to refresh the complexion while maintaining a matte finish.
Usability? The NYX Matte Finish Spray is easy to apply with a simple spray motion across the face. The fine mist ensures even coverage without leaving visible droplets. The formula dries quickly and helps the makeup settle into a smooth matte appearance. Durability? The NYX Matte Finish Spray maintains stable performance over time when stored properly. The spray mechanism ensures consistent mist delivery while the formula remains evenly blended inside the bottle. With regular use, the spray continues supporting long-lasting matte makeup results.
Taking our fourth spot is Neutrogena Radiant Spray. The Neutrogena Radiant Spray is designed for individuals who want their makeup to stay in place while maintaining a natural, glowing complexion. Some setting sprays focus heavily on matte finishes, which can sometimes make the skin appear flat or overly powdered. This formula focuses on helping makeup last longer while enhancing the skin's natural radiance. The lightweight mist works to lock makeup in place while providing a subtle, luminous finish that keeps the complexion looking fresh and healthy. Key features. The Neutrogena Radiant Spray includes a lightweight mist formula designed to evenly coat the skin without disturbing foundation or powder. The spray contains hydrating elements that help maintain skin moisture while supporting makeup longevity. Its fine mist nozzle distributes the spray evenly across the face, helping prevent heavy droplets or uneven coverage. Benefits and usage. The Neutrogena Radiant Spray helps extend the wear time of makeup while providing a natural glow. Many users apply it as the final step of their makeup routine to help blend powders and creams together for a more seamless finish. It is also suitable for refreshing makeup throughout the day without adding heaviness. Usability. The Neutrogena Radiant Spray is simple to use with a few gentle sprays across the face from a comfortable distance. The lightweight formula dries quickly and does not leave sticky residue. Its refreshing mist allows users to easily incorporate it into daily makeup routines. Durability. The Neutrogena Radiant Spray maintains consistent performance during repeated use thanks to its stable liquid formula and reliable spray nozzle. The packaging protects the formula from contamination and ensures long-term usability when stored properly.
At number 5, we have Laura Mercier Translucent Spray. The Laura Mercier Translucent Spray is designed for makeup users who want their makeup to stay intact while maintaining a refined and natural complexion. Professional makeup artists often look for setting sprays that preserve the appearance of carefully applied makeup while preventing fading or creasing. This formula focuses on locking makeup into place while maintaining a smooth and lightweight finish. Key features: the Laura Mercier Translucent Spray includes a microfine mist that helps evenly distribute the formula across the skin. The lightweight composition helps keep makeup in place without creating a heavy or sticky layer. The spray works well with both matte and radiant makeup finishes. Benefits and usage: the Laura Mercier Translucent Spray helps keep foundation, concealer, and other makeup products stable for extended wear. Many users apply it as the final step after completing their makeup routine to ensure everything stays blended and smooth. The formula also helps reduce the appearance of powderiness. Usability: the Laura Mercier Translucent Spray is designed for convenient use with just a few sprays across the face. The fine mist dries quickly and allows the makeup to settle naturally. It can also be used lightly throughout the day to refresh the complexion. Durability: the Laura Mercier Translucent Spray maintains consistent mist performance over time due to its well-designed spray nozzle. The formula remains stable within the bottle and continues providing reliable makeup setting results with regular use.
Landing at number 6 is the UCANBE Long-Lasting Spray. The UCANBE Long-Lasting Spray is designed for individuals who want extended makeup wear without frequent touch-ups. Long days, outdoor activities, and warm environments can cause makeup to break down quickly. This formula focuses on improving the staying power of foundation and other complexion products, so makeup remains intact for longer periods. Key features: the UCANBE Long-Lasting Spray includes a fine mist delivery system that helps coat the skin evenly without disrupting makeup. The formula is designed to create a protective layer that supports long-lasting makeup hold. It works well with both cream and powder makeup formulas. Benefits and usage: the UCANBE Long-Lasting Spray helps maintain a polished makeup appearance even during busy or active days. Many users apply it after finishing their makeup routine to secure their look for hours. It can also help reduce the need for frequent powder touch-ups. Usability: the UCANBE Long-Lasting Spray is easy to apply by holding the bottle several inches from the face and spraying lightly across the skin. The mist spreads evenly and dries quickly, making it convenient for everyday makeup routines. Durability:
The UCANBE long-lasting spray maintains its formula stability over repeated uses. The spray bottle is designed to provide consistent mist distribution while protecting the liquid from contamination. With proper storage, the spray continues delivering long-lasting makeup hold.
Coming at number 8 is the iconic London Prep Set Glow. The iconic London Prep Set Glow is designed for makeup users who want their skin to look luminous and hydrated while keeping makeup locked in place. Some setting sprays focus entirely on matte finishes, but this formula is created for individuals who prefer a radiant glow. It combines makeup setting performance with skin-enhancing ingredients that help the complexion appear healthy, dewy, and refreshed throughout the day. Key features: the iconic London Prep Set Glow includes light-reflecting particles that help enhance the skin's natural radiance while maintaining makeup hold. The ultra-fine mist distributes evenly across the skin without disturbing foundation or powder. The formula also contains hydrating elements that support skin moisture and help blend makeup layers together. Benefits and usage: the iconic London Prep Set Glow helps extend makeup wear while adding a luminous finish that enhances the overall complexion. Many users apply it after completing their makeup routine to soften powder texture and create a glowing appearance. It can also be used before makeup application to help prepare the skin. Usability: the iconic London Prep Set Glow is designed for flexible use in multiple steps of a makeup routine. Users simply spray a light mist across the face from a comfortable distance. The formula dries quickly and helps create a smooth and radiant finish without leaving visible droplets. Durability: the iconic London Prep Set Glow maintains its mist quality and formula stability through repeated use. The spray nozzle delivers consistent distribution while the bottle protects the formula from contamination. Proper storage ensures long-lasting performance.
Taking the 9th position is Tarte Stay Spray. The Tarte Stay Spray is designed for individuals who need reliable makeup longevity during long days or special events. Makeup can fade due to heat, humidity, or natural oil production, which can affect the overall appearance of the look. This formula focuses on helping makeup stay intact while maintaining a lightweight feel on the skin. Key features: the Tarte Stay Spray includes a fine mist formula designed to lock makeup into place without creating heaviness. The spray works well with various makeup products, including foundation, concealer, blush, and powder. The lightweight formula allows the skin to remain breathable while supporting makeup longevity. Benefits and usage: the Tarte Stay Spray helps reduce makeup fading, creasing, and smudging throughout the day. Many users apply it as the final step after completing their makeup routine to secure their look for long wear. The spray can also be used lightly for refreshing makeup during the day. Usability: the Tarte Stay Spray is easy to apply with a few sprays across the face. The fine mist ensures even coverage and dries quickly without disrupting the makeup beneath. Its lightweight formula makes it comfortable for everyday use. Durability: the Tarte Stay Spray maintains stable performance with repeated use. The spray mechanism continues to distribute mist evenly, while the formula remains effective when stored properly. Consistent use helps maintain reliable makeup hold. And finally, we have Anastasia Dewy Set Spray. The Anastasia Dewy Set Spray is designed for makeup users who prefer a radiant and hydrated finish rather than a traditional matte setting spray. Many people enjoy a natural glow that reflects healthy skin rather than a flat complexion. This formula focuses on locking makeup in place while enhancing skin luminosity. Key features: the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray includes a lightweight mist designed to help set makeup while providing a dewy finish. The formula blends powders and creams together to create a seamless makeup appearance. The spray also helps reduce the appearance of dryness or powderiness. Benefits and usage: the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray helps maintain makeup longevity while enhancing skin radiance. Many users apply it after completing their makeup routine to add a glowing finish. It is also suitable for refreshing makeup during the day when the skin appears dull. Usability: the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray is simple to use with a few sprays applied evenly across the face. The fine mist dries quickly and leaves the skin feeling refreshed. Its lightweight texture makes it comfortable for daily makeup routines. Durability: the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray maintains consistent mist performance over time. The bottle design ensures even spray distribution while protecting the formula inside. Proper storage helps maintain the quality of the spray for long-term use. A high-quality setting spray can make a major difference in how long your makeup lasts and how smooth it looks throughout the day.
Whether you prefer a matte finish to control shine or a radiant glow that enhances your complexion, the right setting spray helps lock your makeup in place while improving the overall look of your skin. The setting sprays featured in this guide offer solutions for different skin types and makeup styles. Choosing the right one can help keep your makeup fresh, flawless, and long-lasting from morning to night.